So this is my completed program. And first I will run my program. So I would choose option 1, which is bubble sort, and randomly generate. So from the range of -10 to 10, we'll click next step to begin the process. And this is a array before it's sorted. So clicking next step, it shows what it did. And keep clicking, and we reach the end of the steps. So if we click next step again, it takes us back. So for option number 2, which is merge sort, you could also just randomly. And I'm choosing random because it's faster. I want to type all the integers. So yeah, let's say -6 and 200. And yeah, keep clicking until it says this, and yeah, click next step again, takes us back. And if you want to exit, click exit, and it exits the program. So looking in the code, the main.java just has one line of code, so it calls out the main menu window. And looking at that, this has an execute button and an exit button. The exit button just exits, nothing special. The execute button checks if the text in the text box is empty, and it also checks if it's a valid option, and the valid options are 1 and 2, not negative or a letter or anything. So once it passes all those, we store that option that the user selected and open a new window, the data selection window, and we close the current window. We're going into the data selection window. We have another button, one button, and this checks the drop-down menu, the J combo box. So if it's 0, which is a user types in 10 integers, or if it's the second option, which was the random, it creates a random set of 10 integers. So yeah, if the user chooses to type in the integers, we call out the user input window. If the user selects the random, we go to the random input window. We check for duplicates. If there are duplicates, then it won't do anything. We have to continue entering integers. Then check which option was selected. So if it was bubble sort or the merge sort, which was from the main menu. And if it was a bubble sort, we open a bubble sort window. If it was a merge sort, we open up a merge sort window. So yeah. And it checks if it was a valid range or if the range is too short. It calls a populate array with no repeats, and then has another if. And then again, depending on which was the selected option, bubble sort or the merge sort, it opens that window, and it also closes the current window. The previous button gets disabled if it reaches the end of which of the steps. So every time the previous button is clicked, it will display what step you're in, the next button. If it did reach the end, it will then call out the main menu window, which is the first window we see pop up when we run the program, and it closes this window. But if it's not the end, we check for which step we're on. Once it finishes storing and sorting, it checks based on what step you're in, it'll display the array's elements. And yeah, thank you.